Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Where Òrúnmìlà underestimates the young ones. Story: Òrúnmìlà was summoned from a distant land to go and restore balance to that place. Before leaving, he performed òsòdè, divination, and this Ifa appeared. He called his children, who were apprentices, and asked them to interpret it for him. They told Òrúnmìlà that he needed to offer òrúgbó, a ritual element, often referring to kola nut or a symbolic offering to elders, in order to resolve the problems in that land. Òrúnmìlà became irritated and said to the boys, "So I am the one teaching you, and now you want to give me instructions to perform ebo, sacrifice." Òrúnmìlà did not perform the ebo and left for that land. He arrived successfully and began the work of restoring it. When Esu arrived where the young ones were, he asked, "Did Òrúnmìlà leave anything for me before departing?" The boys replied that he had not. Then Esu pulled something from his gíríto, satchel, and blew it. At that very moment, Òrúnmìlà was in the king's palace examining him, when the king suddenly asked, "Who is your Baba Tobi, great father, and where were you born?" Òrúnmìlà, shocked, immediately realized that this was Esu's doing. He quickly departed to return to his own land, so that his children, the apprentices, could divine again and perform the ebo for him. Along the road, he was caught in a terrible storm, and suffered greatly just to make it back. As soon as he arrived, he called his children to carry out the ebo. They told him, "Father, it now costs double." The ebo had to include a cuckoo, a rooster, a wunko, a ram, a Meyi, 2 hens, all the necessary ritual ingredients, and òwúmọ̀kànlá, 11 coins or units of money. Òrúnmìlà completed the ebo, and not long after returned to the land he was repairing, cleansing it of all negativity. Òrúnmìlà said to the king, "You want to know who my Baba is and where I was born?" To which the king responded that it had just been a joke. Then Òrúnmìlà declared, "In this town, everyone must offer prayers and sacrifices if they wish to prosper.